What's up everybody, Ebrahim Mbokazi here, back with another educational video. Now on this video I will be showing you how to stake your Osmosis token and also have it on auto compound so that you do not have to reclaim your Osmosis token and have to restake again. Everything will be done automatically. Now please make sure that you pay attention as we go through these steps. Also, keep in mind that anything that I say in this video is not financial advice. Please make sure that you do your own research before investing into cryptocurrency. Now, you know the vibes. Like, subscribe, and make sure that you click that notification bell so that you'll be notified every time when I upload any new videos. Now, let's not waste any further time. The first thing is, first, obviously, you need to go onto app.osmosis.zone. Make sure that you are on the correct URL. Now, the first step is you're going to need a KEPLR wallet. If you don't have a KEPLR wallet, make sure that you set up your KEPLR wallet. If you don't know how to set up a KEPLR wallet, I will leave the video down in the description. Make sure that you watch that video as to how to set up your KEPLR wallet. Now that you have your KEPLR wallet set up, go ahead and connect to your KEPLR wallet. And you also need to make sure that you have funds within your KEPLR wallet. If you don't know where to buy Osmosis, you can buy Osmosis on Binance. Link will be in the description. Now that we are on the Osmosis DEX, what you're going to do is go ahead and click on stake. Once you have clicked on stake, it will take you onto this page right here. Now on this page, this is where we are going to be looking for validators to stake our tokens. As you could see over here, just click on chains. It will show you this drop down, and over here, as you can see, all these different chains. We will go ahead and choose the Osmosis chain because we want to stake some of our Osmosis token. Now also make sure that on your KEPLR wallet you are also on the Osmosis chain. As you can see, this is where you can change your chains right here. Make sure that you are on the Osmosis chain. We want to go ahead and search for a validator that we are going to be earning a high APR and also maximize the profits out of the pool. So now, as you can see over here, we can see that the commission is 5%. That means there's a 5% fee on this pool, and the APR is 23.87%. Now, the highest you will find on these pools is 23.87% on all these pools. As you can see, some are lower, but you want to go with the highest and make sure that the fees is on 5%. If you can get something that's lower, go ahead and look for that pool that's going to be lower within 5%. You can go ahead and choose any validator that you are comfortable with, but just make sure that you have enough information about that particular validator that you will be staking with. So go ahead and choose a validator. So as you can see, I have already staked some of my Osmosis token. I have already chosen the validator that I want to be staking with. Now if you want to see more information, you can just click on manage, and then you'll be able to see the commission, which is 5%, and the APR of 23.87%. And then over here you can see your delegation. You can also undelegate or redelegate if you have any other tokens that you want. Now we want to go ahead and set up our stake to be on auto compound. That's the next very important stage. Now I'm here on allnodes.com. Link will be in the description. Also go ahead and click on portfolio. If you don't know how to set up a allnodes account, make sure that you watch my previous video that I did on as to how to stake your Luna Classic. And once that has been done, go ahead and click on stake. So now we are going to be looking for the Osmosis token that we have staked, and let's go ahead and look for Osmosis. Here is Osmosis. Go ahead and click on it. Now as you can see, the APR is 23.95%, and there's a fee of 5% and an onboarding period of 14 days. Now bear in mind that the percentage will increase once we have set it up on auto compound. Now we're going ahead to select a wallet. Go ahead and select KEPLR wallet, or you can use KEPLR mobile. And then over here now it's showing us our staked amount, and now we are going to monitor address and proceed to portfolio. Now as you can see, now we have our Osmosis right here, and now we are going to enable the auto compound feature on our Osmosis so that we are able to earn much more. Now if I click right here, you could see that we were earning 23.95% on our normal staking, and since now we're going to be setting it up on auto compound, we will be earning a plus 27%. So this plus this, in total we will be earning close to 50% on our Osmosis token. Now I'm going to enable the auto compound, and then click on KEPLR wallet, connect to KEPLR wallet, and then connect to KEPLR browser extension. And now we just need to approve that. I understand that all my Osmosis delegation will be redelegated to all nodes validator. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on next, and then over here it's showing me the available balance, and then I'm going to go ahead and enable that. Click on approve. As you can see, we are also paying some fees on this, and then from here we are going to wait for confirmation. There will be 3 confirmations on this. This could take a couple of seconds, and then obviously the first one is done, so we're going to close that, and then now we're going to the second approval. Wait for the second confirmation, and then close, and then now we're on our last confirmation, and then we're going to go ahead and approve that. And now we have successfully enabled auto compound on our Osmosis token, and then go ahead and close that. Now as you can see, now we are earning close to 50% since now our Osmosis is on auto compound. And that was just a quick guide as to how to stake your Osmosis and have it on auto compound. If you have any questions, don't forget you can always leave your questions in the comment box. And also, if you want to see any other video in future, please do leave your suggestion in the comments, and then I will go ahead and look at that and do a video on whichever topic that you want me to do. It's your boy Ebrahim Mbokazi. Thanks a lot for watching up until the end, and I will see you on the next video.